and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court schedules hearing of pleas challenging the abrogation of Article 370 on July 11th. Supreme Court defers oath-taking ceremony of DERC chairperson to hear Delhi government's challenge to his appointment. Split verdict by Madras High Court in Habeas Corpus petition of Senthil Balaji. Kerala High Court dismisses anticipatory bail plea filed by 3 forest officials accused of filing false case against tribal man. Insolvency case against Zee Entertainment disposed of after it settles with IndusInd Bank. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. A 5-judge constitution bench of the Supreme Court presided by the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justices S.K. Kaul, Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gavai and Suryakant, will take up a batch of petitions for hearing on 11th July, challenging the abrogation of Article 370 in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. J&K was granted a special status by virtue of Article 370, which was abrogated in August 2019, and the former state of J&K was reconstituted into the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. As many as 23 petitions in connection with the issue are pending at the top court. The pleas challenge the presidential orders of August 2019 for abrogation of Article 370, as well as the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act of 2019 that made the central laws applicable upon Jammu and Kashmir, which was previously governed by its own set of laws. The Supreme Court today deferred the oath-taking ceremony of the former judge of the Allahabad High Court, Justice Umesh Kumar, who was appointed as the chairperson of the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission, after the government of NCT Delhi challenged his appointment on the ground that he was appointed by the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena without the concurrence of the government. The matter was heard by a bench comprising the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha, who agreed to hear the plea filed by the Delhi government, noting that the petition raises a question of law regarding the validity of Section 45D of the GNCTD Act, which was amended by an ordinance recently and provided the LG with overriding power in matters of appointment. The top court has scheduled the matter for hearing on July 11th. The High Court of Madras today delivered a split verdict in the habeas corpus petition filed by the family members of Tamil Nadu Minister Senthil Balaji in connection with his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case. The matter was heard by a bench of Justices J. Nisha Bhanu and Bharata Chakravarti, who said that the matter will be placed before the Chief Justice for further orders. Justice Nisha Bhanu noted that the habeas corpus petition was maintainable and that the ED does not possess the power to seek police custody under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, while Justice Chakravarti observed that the habeas corpus petition was not maintainable unless it can be shown that the detention was illegal. The writ petition was filed by the wife of Balaji against his arrest by the ED on June 14th. The court had earlier denied interim bail to Balaji, but allowed that he be treated at a private hospital for his heart ailment. The Supreme Court today heard a plea moved by the ED against the said order, allowing Balaji to undergo medical treatment at the private hospital. Justice V.G. Arun of the Kerala High Court dismissed the anticipatory bail plea filed by 3 forest officials from Idukki district in Kerala, in a case alleging that they falsely implicated a tribal man in a criminal case. The court observed that there was prima facie material against the officials to attract the offence of instituting a false case against a member of the scheduled tribe under the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act. A case was also made out against a 4th official, but he could not be booked under the SC/ST Act as he himself belonged to the SC community. The National Company Law Appellate Tribunal disposed of the appeal filed by Zee Entertainment Enterprise after it reached a settlement with IndusInd Bank. The insolvency case against Zee was put to rest following payment of all dues to the financial creditor by Zee. The IndusInd Bank brought on record the settlement agreement dated March 29, 2023 and informed the court that all payments have been made before June 30, 2023 and requested that corporate insolvency process against Zee be closed. A two-member NCLAT bench comprising chairperson Justice Ashok Bhushan and member Barun Mitra noted that in view of the settlement agreement between the parties, nothing survives to be decided in the appeal. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.